Hi everybody, this is a Bosch dishwasher. I've got a problem that the water can't get into the dishwasher. I will show it to you. Now I press start. Now you can hear, you will hear in a minute the engine that I don't know if it's work, but it seems like can you hear it? Okay, so this sounds can go like this for about 10 minutes and then it stops. Now I checked already many things. I checked the Aquastop hose, which is the main hose, and it's fine. I check this small regeneration valve, it's fine. You can see this is the main inlet water. Nothing can get in. I checked this sensor here. This sensor, which is a kind of a float sensor, it's fine. I checked the float switch underneath, it's fine. I checked the card. This is the main card. I took it to a laboratory that specialized with this kind of thing. They told me that everything is fine. And now I really don't know what's the problem here, because you can hear everything is work, like you can hear the sound, but the water can't get in. So if anyone have an idea, I really appreciate that. Thank you.